Want to switch accounts on your NFL Sunday Ticket app? Here's how to do it. First, you want to open the NFL Sunday Ticket app on your phone. You can open it on your tablet or smart TV as well. Now tap on your profile icon or head to the settings menu. From there, scroll down and select sign out. Once you've signed out, you'll be taken back to the login screen. Enter the email and password of the another account you want to use, then tap sign in. If you're using YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket, you want to open the YouTube TV app or head over to any web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Now we want to tap on your profile picture to switch to the correct Google account and then launch Sunday Ticket under that profile. If you switch often, make sure you remember each account's login info or save them in Password Manager to avoid getting locked out. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.